Hi, I am Fred from therequirementsengineer.com. In this video, I show you how to activate the presentation mode in Draw.io. You will learn the exact workflow, and you will learn how to use the most important presentation controls. If you like practical tutorials about modeling and requirements engineering, please subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next videos. What is Draw.io? Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, is a flexible diagramming tool. I use it for flowcharts, process models, UML diagrams, network diagrams, and many other visuals. It is easy to start with. First, I add shapes in Draw.io. Then I connect them with arrows. After that, I add labels and structure the diagram. As a result, Draw.io helps me turn complex ideas into clear visual explanations. Why activate presentation mode in Draw.io? The normal editor view is great when I create or change a diagram. However, it can distract during presentation. I see menus, I see panels, I see toolbars. And my audience may focus on the interface instead of the diagram. Therefore, I use presentation mode in Draw.io. It gives me a cleaner view, so I can focus on the model itself. This is useful in meetings, workshops, tutorials, reviews, and stakeholder sessions. For example, I can show the complete diagram first. Then I can zoom into one important part. After that, I can zoom out again and explain the full context. This makes the explanation much easier to follow. Let us get in. Step 1. I open my diagram in Draw.io. In this example, I already have a diagram open. On the left, I have a general process. On the right, I have a lamp process. This is a simple example. However, the same workflow works for larger diagrams as well. Step 2. In the menu, I click File. Now the File menu opens. Here I can see many options. For example, I can create a new diagram, open a diagram, save it, export it, and I can also start the presentation mode. In step 3, I click presentation mode. This is the key step. I do not need to export the diagram, I do not need to create an image, and I do not need to open another tool. I simply use the built-in presentation mode. Now Draw.io opens the diagram in presentation mode. The diagram becomes the main focus. The grid is gone, the side panel is gone, and the editor tools are no longer distracting. As a result, the screen looks much cleaner. This is exactly what I want when I explain a diagram to other people. Now I can present the model step by step. First, I can start with the general structure. Then I can explain one process flow. After that, I can compare it with the second process flow. This works well because the audience can focus on the shapes, labels, and connections. Step 4. I use the presentation mode controls. In the upper right corner, Draw.io shows a small control area. These controls are simple. However, they are very useful during presentation. The minus magnifier lets me zoom out. I use this when I want to show more of the diagram. This is helpful when the diagram is large. It also helps when I want to explain the overall structure. The plus magnifier lets me zoom in. I use this when I want to focus on a specific detail. For example, I can zoom into one decision. I can zoom into one task. Or I can zoom into one connection between two shapes. This is especially useful when I record tutorials. Viewers can see the important part more clearly. The full screen option helps me make the presentation even cleaner. When I use it, the diagram gets more space on the screen. So this is a good option for meetings, training sessions, and screen recordings. Finally, I can use the X to leave presentation mode. This brings me back to the normal editor. So if someone suggests a change, I can exit presentation mode. Then I can update the diagram directly. This is one of the reasons why presentation mode is so practical. I can present the diagram clearly, and when I need to edit something, I can return to the editor quickly. When should I use presentation mode in Draw.io? I use it when I explain process models. First, I show the overall workflow. Then I zoom in. After that, I explain the next decision or connection. I also use it during stakeholder reviews. In a review, I want people to focus on the content. I do not want them to look at menus or toolbars. Therefore, presentation mode helps me keep the discussion focused. In addition, I use presentation mode when I record tutorials. The screen looks cleaner. The diagram gets more attention. And the explanation feels more professional. So this is how I activate presentation mode in Draw.io. Open your diagram, click File, click Presentation Mode, use the Clean Presentation view. Zoom out when you want to show more context. Zoom in when you want to explain details. Use full screen mode when you want an even cleaner view. And click X when you want to return to the editor. Presentation mode in Draw.io is simple. However, it is very useful. It helps me present diagrams with less distraction. Moreover, it gives me quick controls for zooming, full screen viewing, and exiting the mode. Therefore, I use it whenever I want to explain a diagram clearly. It keeps the focus on the model. As a result, my audience can understand the content faster. If this video helped, support the channel, like the video, and subscribe for more Draw.io tutorials. Also tell me in the comments, do you use presentation mode in Draw.io for meetings, workshops, or tutorial recordings? Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.